Good morning, it is Sunday and today we're gonna go take a look at this laundry machine right here and get it replaced because Samsung has recalled these open top laundry machines. It's kind of disappointing because as much as I love Korea and the Samsung brand, they haven't been doing good this year with these exploding top laundry machines and their Note, cell phone, tablet devices, battery blowing up. Disappointed, Samsung. Disappointed in you. So what's gonna happen is that Best Buy, once I go to Best Buy and I buy one of their laundry machines, I've called Samsung and they said that they'll rebate me $820, up to $820 for a brand new laundry machine. So hoping to get that check in the mail after I get a new laundry machine today and be done with these recalled products. All right, got everything loaded up. Let's go. When you come back home. 신나. Come baby baby, come baby. Come baby baby baby.
이거 반지 꼈어 안 꼈어?
반지 꼈잖아.
잘 꼈어.
What's up, Longview? This place has good Vietnamese pho. Lunchtime. Let's eat. Make you a chopstick holder. Here you go, for your chopstick. That looks bomb. That was good. Stuffed. Let's head on out.
아유 배부릅니다. 하는 거 봐 진짜 대박이야.
Best Buy. Let's see if we got a good laundry machine to replace our other laundry machine because it's garbage.
오, 아니야 세탁기 더 앞에야.
어디? Drum machines.
야 이게 790. 야 이건
Oh, this looks nice. $7.99 for that, and they'll give us a rebate of $8.24 or so. It's about right. Ah, we're done laundry machine shopping. You feel happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
아 짜증나.
So we have found the laundry machine for the one that we want to get replaced that got recalled. Now we're just waiting for Pops to meet up with him and then go ahead into Sam's Club and do some shopping. Hey, oh, just getting coffee. Find some good books. Ooh, a cat calendar. Oh, nice. Harry Potter's having a birthday party. Alice in Wonderland.
I guess they moved it to the cafe.
Oh,
I'll look there in a second. But here's the other one. This one doesn't do
look
anything.
at that
It just
cat
looks
cup.
cute.
That's cute.
And then there's one where she. Yep. See, it goes from yellow to purple.
Oh, his sweater, yellow to purple. Add a hot beverage. Time to go to Toys R Us. Because we like looking at little toys, huh?
Yeah, I like it. 가서 사줘?
I wanna be a Toys R Us kid. Look at all these stuffed animals. A waterfall spray. That's kind of a neat feature.
You know we have enough.
앞에서 노는 걸 했어요. 위에 거가 터진대요. 그래갖고 위에 거에 넣는 게 샘성 기계가 터진다고 그래갖고 그게 There's 10 in a pack, 576. But with the rebate로 이제 돈 벌어야죠. Look at that bird drinking water.
입으로 천천히 고개를 이렇게 들어.
Get some gas, fuel up. This gas going for $1.96. That's what's up.
오, 사진 잘 나왔다.
사진 잘 나왔어?
이거 봐,
네.
3,700집.
We just got out of Toys R Us too, and there was a lot of toys that she liked looking at, and
화장실 있지, 테이블 있지,
looking at these
침대 있지,
toys like this in there. Like bedroom, baths, and little toy-looking things.
싸주대요.
She wanted me to buy it.
10만 원 주세요.
I was like, "Are you 12 years old?" She's like, "No, I'm 7."
I'm 7.
I'm 7. Whoa, did you hear that bird?
차가
The
웃었어.
thing sounds like a transformer.
아, 뭐야.
It's like transformer. This tire pressure reading is reading on the left backside that it's low. 29 psi in it. I'm gonna put some air in here to match up with the other. Are you sun blocking that?
태닝 중이야.
You're tanning? What is this?
이거 빛으로 반사해서 얼굴.
Get some exercise. Ah, Dad's still waiting over there.
오케이. 오빠 여기. 아, 여기.
In the shade? Oh, look at that dog. Hey, doggy. It's so cute. Hi there. 물고기가 진짜? 헐. Let's go!
Yeah.
하고 저 드리블 하나 있고.
라이언. 에이.